The Dog's Tale explores the unique relationship between mankind and its best friend. From the pack ice to the jungle, from Japan to Soweto, we pamper them, play with them, and put our hope in them. A remarkable insight into the canine world, The Dog's Tale. Thursday, 9:30 on BBC2.
Millions of Americans are laughing loudly. We'll be right back after these jokes. Seinfeld, the king of New York comedy.
I hate anyone that ever had a pony when they were growing up. I had a pony. Well, why ponies? What are we doing with them? I mean, police don't use them for, crowd control. Hey, you want to get back behind the barricades?
Plus, you also get the Larry Sanders Show with added irony.
Larry's a good man.
I can't stand the way you talk.
But he is a performer. Think of a performer as a small, helpless child.
And I had sex with him.
I'm so sorry.
Award-winning American comedy, Seinfeld and the Larry Sanders Show this autumn on BBC2.
A new series now, and the BBC2 debut for a comic duo which defies logic. Suddenly to be sniffed at, it's the smell of Reeves and Mortimer.